Okay, yeah, good morning. It's Altec again. What we're going to learn today is delays, how to use delays in an Arduino IDE. Okay, so you might have seen blinking circuits. You might have seen blinking circuits. Okay, so there uh, that is one of the application of delay. Delays after giving a command, then you tell the microcontroller wait for a specific amount of time. Okay, and then after that specific amount of time, then it will switch and it will run the next command. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, we do our variable declaration. Okay, so let me say this code we are writing it for uh a a blinking circuit. Okay, so we want to blink. Normally I like using pin 4. Okay, so we want to blink pin 4 of our Arduino. Okay, so in this video we are not showing the hardware part, so we're writing the code so that you can fully understand, well, you can well understand the code you're writing fully and well, which I'm going to choose. Okay, forget about that. So we're going to write the code for a blinking circuit, that is, we want to blink the pin 4 of our Arduino. Okay, so now first of all you start with okay, variable declaration. So let's declare pin 4 as, let's, as blink, as blink. Oh, there is a function named blink, so that will be okay. Let's call it blinks. Yep, so we assign it to pin 4 of our Arduino. Okay, so next is to choose whether our pin 4 is an input pin or an output pin. So pin mode pin comma, that's pin, which is blinks, comma mode, which is output in capital letter. Okay, now we have set our blinks pin to output. The next thing is to write the blinking code. Okay, so first of all, we'll do digital write. That means write a digital value of high, because first of all our LED will come on and then it will stay on. Let me say we want it to stay on for 1 second and then go off, stay off for 1 second and then come back on, stay back on for 1 second and then over and over and over and over again. So that's how I do it. First of all, we want it to go on for 1 second. Okay, so digital write. Okay, digital write pin comma digital value. Okay, so blinks comma digital value, which is high in capital letters. So next, we want it to stay on for 1 second. Okay, also this function called delay, you see I've changed color, is a function in the Arduino IDE. So this function is used to create time delays. Okay, that's in milliseconds. Okay, so uh 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. Okay, so if I type in between, if I type 1000, this 1 second. Okay, 1000, that is 1000 milliseconds, that is 1 second. So if I change it to 2000, that is 2 seconds, but we're using 1 second. We want it to be on for 1 second. Okay, so delay 1000 milliseconds reach 1 second. So the code will come here, it will be on, it will switch the pin 4, that's blinks pin, to switch it on, and then go down, read the next command, and then it will see that it has to stay on the previous command for 1 second. It has to stay on the previous command for 1 second. Okay, so the previous command was digital write blinks high, to stay on for 1 second. So the next line, it has stayed on for 1 second. Want it to go off, so digital write pin blinks, that's, which is the pin comma digital value, we want it to go off, so we're writing a digital value of low. Okay, so If you leave your code like this, that means this guy will come on, this part will come on, then to enter the next command to read this guy, which means delay 1 second. That means it will stay on the previous command for 1 second. Okay, so the LED will be on for 1 second, and then it will go off. Digital write blink slow. So but if you leave it here now, what do? You won't notice a blink. It will just stay on continuously, because after this part, okay, after reading this part, the microcontroller will check down again. There is no other command down here. There is no other command. It will immediately switch back to this first command at the top. Okay, so that's why you have to put a delay to tell it to stay on its previous command for the amount of time you want. So the previous command is low, want it to stay low for 1 second before it switches back to high. So in a blinking style, so 1000 seconds, so 1000 milliseconds, sorry. So digital write blinks high, the LED comes on, delay 1000, the LED stays on for 1 second, then digital write blink low, the LED goes off, then delay 1000, the LED stays off for 1 second, then after 1 second it goes back on, so in a blinking style. All right, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like my videos, and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you.